Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SAP Fiori Apps using the easy method. This is a great way to handle your office tasks using a simple and clean screen. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and log in. The first step is to open your internet browser so you can reach your main work page. You need to use your secret keys to see your private tiles and apps. Open the web link for your company and type in your username and password. Click the Sign In button and wait for your home screen, called the Launchpad, to load. It acts as the gateway to your professional data. You have to be logged in so the system knows exactly who you are and which specific apps or tasks you are allowed to use for your project. Without this step, the system cannot show you the right tiles you need to finish your work today. Next, find the right app tile. You need to find the specific box on your screen that lets you do your job. Look at the different colored boxes or tiles on your main screen. If you have many boxes, use the search bar at the top and type the name of the job you want to do. This is a smart move because it saves you from getting lost in a long list of different tasks. These tiles are like big buttons that take you exactly where you need to go in an instant. It ensures you don't waste any time searching through many pages for your work, allowing you to jump straight into the task you need to complete right now. Next, fill in your information. Now that you have the app open, you can put your data into the blank spots so the computer can process your request. Look at the page and fill in the blank spots with the numbers or names you have. Use the filter bar at the top if you need to find a specific piece of information first, because the computer needs clear and correct details to give you what you want. By putting in the right information, you are giving the system the exact instructions it needs to follow. It is the key step to getting the right output for your task and making sure your business records stay accurate for everyone else to see later. Lastly, save or submit your work. The final step is to tell the system to keep the changes you made so your job is officially finished. Look for a button at the bottom of your screen that says Save or Submit. Click the button and wait for a small message to pop up saying your task is done, because it locks your hard work into the system so it is never lost. Saving makes sure that all your changes are kept safe even after you close your browser. Once it's done, you can go back to your main screen and move to your next job. And that's it. To use SAP Fiori Apps, you must first sign into your account through your web browser. Then you pick the right app tile from your main screen or use the search bar to find it. Next, you fill in your information carefully in the empty spots provided. Finally, you save or submit your work to make sure everything is stored correctly. This straightforward plan makes sure your office projects are smooth and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.